Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you how to use the child locks. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first I will quickly explain what is the purpose of child locks. When you engage child locks, the rear door handles are disabled. So when you drive, if you have a child on the back seat and they try to open the door, these door handles will not be working, right? And now to enable child locks, if you open the rear door, just here on the door edge you will see like a small lock and you will see this lock symbol. So all you have to do using your key or anything similar, you just want to turn this to the left. And now the child locks are engaged and I will now show you how this looks. Now I'm sitting in a vehicle on the back seat and if I try to open this door, the door is not opening, right? And the vehicle is actually unlocked. So the only way for me to get out is through the other side or open this door from the outside, because outside door handle is not disabled, just the inside door handle is disabled when child lock is engaged. If you want to do the same thing on the other side, again you will have to do it separately, they are not connected. As you can see, this door is working. So if I want to engage this one, again I have to just turn this child lock, engage it like this, and now the doors won't be able to be opened from the inside. To disengage it, just turn it back to the starting position. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.